Hey guys, it's Sarah, welcome back, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a DIY Easter slime with Elmer's Magical Liquid and Elmer's Glue. Now this is not sponsored, so yeah, sponsor me if you want. So let's get on to the video. For this you will need a glass bowl, some colorful Easter beads, Elmer's washable no-run skull glue, Elmer's Magical Liquid, and shaving cream. Now I am using their Glow Slime Activator because that's all I have, but that'll work fine, just as long as it's Elmer's Magical Liquid. Okay, so I forgot to add the glue in, and I also added the shaving cream, and I don't know how I didn't get this clip. So I added the glue in and also the shaving cream, and now I'm stirring it together. And it doesn't matter how much you use because you're just going to be doing it. I don't know what I'm saying, but however much glue and shaving cream you add is going to depend on how much slime. So enough talking about that. Now I'm adding the colorful beads. So I'm adding those. I just said that. So you're just going to stir these in until you can't really see them anymore. And now I'm taking a long time to stir. And now you're going to add your Elmer's Magical Liquid. And you're just going to add it till it's activated. And so I added a few drops and started with that. Now I'm mixing it because when you mix it, you want to add more until it becomes more slimy. And now I'm adding some more and mixing again. And I'm about to be adding more. So now we're adding more, and then we're going to mix again. So we're mixing, and once it starts coming off of the bowl, that means it's finished. Now mine is partly done. You need to add a bit more activator, so we're going to do that. And you want to add the activator, and it will start coming off the bowl. You'll know when it's slime. And now I'm adding a bunch of activator. So I'm mixing again, and still mixing, and still mixing. And my computer is overheating, and now I'm doing thumbs up, and I'm mixing again. I think I did the thumbs up to show that it was almost done. And this is a fluffy slime, and I think I said that, and I'm saying and so way too much. So, yeah. So, I'm still mixing, and, oh, I said it again. Now I'm adding some more magical liquid. And yeah, I'm doing that. And it's really coming together. It's not sticking as much and it's getting harder to stir. And it's really hard to stir right now because this is really heavy. So I'm adding more liquid and mixing again. Yay! And I'm mixing more. And it's okay if your slime starts to not stick to it. That just means there's activator in one spot. Now it's fine if it does that. Don't worry. Just keep on mixing it, and then it should start to kind of stick together. And also when it gets to the right consistency, you need to start playing with it with your fingers. Once it's not sticky to touch, you need to play with it with your fingers. And just to add a little bit of activator. Now, there's one thing about the Elmer's Magical Liquid that I wish they would fix. On the bottle, it says the measurements, and it says like 1 teaspoon about for 1 bottle of glue, but that is not correct. So, just add it until your slime is like slime. You don't want to overactivate it, but it's okay if you do, because if you're going to overactivate it, then it'll melt a little later, but it'll do that anyway. So, in a minute, my slime will start coming off the glass bowl, and it's not going to totally be fully cleaned, but it'll get there pretty good. So, yeah. So I'm just going to keep on mixing this, and actually, in a minute, we're going to start playing with it with our hands. So I added like a drop of activator, and now I'm just going to mix it around just a little bit so I don't get a bunch of activator on my hands. And you can see it's not sticking to the bowl or the spoon very much anymore. So now is when you take it out and just play with it. Play with it like you would normal slime. Stretch it, twirl it, swirl it. Just play with it. It doesn't matter how you play with it, but you gotta play with it or it will not mix. And if you need to add a little bit more activator, that's fine, because sometimes you have to. See, I'm adding more. And just add until it feels like slime. And the beads are kind of falling out right now because they're not meant for slime. So yeah. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a part of my family. And I have not washed my hands yet. See, the cover is slime still. So I hope you guys try out this slime. It is a really fun thing to do, especially right now when you're stuck at home in quarantine. So you should try this. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Bye!